Ostriches, Giant Birds, written by Emilio Garcia. Focus question. What advantage and disadvantages does the ostrich have because of its size? A very big bird. The ostrich is the biggest bird in the world. Most ostriches are taller than the tallest people. Ostriches have wings and feathers, but they can't fly. An ostrich can run fast and far. It is the fastest animal with 2 legs. It runs faster than most 4-legged animals. Eyes on the prize. Ostriches have small heads with big eyes. Their eyes are bigger than those of any other land animal. Home, sweet home. Most wild ostriches live in Africa. They live in small herds of 10 or more birds. Ostriches use teamwork to stay safe. Their sharp eyes and long necks help them spot danger from far away. What's on the menu? Ostriches eat grass, other plants, and fruits. They also eat bugs and other small animals. Ostriches don't drink much water. They get water from the plants and fruit they eat. Look out! Run! Lions and cheetahs hunt ostriches for food. Ostriches must be on the lookout. Their long necks help them look for. They have strong legs and big feet. An ostrich can kick very hard. Its kick can kill a lion. Ostriches make a loud noise when they see a lion. The noise warns other animals that lions are near. From big egg to big bird. A male ostrich digs a shallow pitch in the dirt for a nest. The mother lays her eggs in the pits. In 6 weeks, baby ostriches hatch from the eggs. A baby ostrich is the size of grown chicken. Ostrich chicks grow about 1 foot 30 centimeters per month. In 6 months, the baby ostrich will be grown. It can live for 50 years or more. Conclusion. Ostriches are special birds. They are strong and fast. Ostriches are bigger than any other bird.